Hello guys, welcome back to me. So, I hope you have a grateful day, and today I would like to tell you about what is an entrepreneur and what is an entrepreneurship and the types of entrepreneurship and advantage and disadvantage of entrepreneurship. So before I started, let me introduce myself. My name is Trianita Avilla, and let's move to the definition of entrepreneur. So, what is an entrepreneur? You must be asked like, what is entrepreneur like that? And I would like to give you the answer of that question. And an entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business, bearing most of the risks and enjoying most of the rewards. The process of setting up a business is known as entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur is commonly seen as an innovator, a source of new ideas, goods, services, and businesses or procedure. Entrepreneurs play a key role in any economy, using the skill and initiative necessary to anticipate needs and bringing good news ideas to market. Entrepreneurship that prove to be successful in taking on the risks of creating startup is rewarded with profits, fame, and continued growth opportunities. And entrepreneurship that fails result in losses and less free falling in the market for those involved. So guys, we move to the definition of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the one of the research economies categorized as integral to production, the other three being land or natural resources, labor, and capital. An entrepreneur combines the first three of these to manufacture goods or provide services. They typically create a business plan, hire labor, acquire resource and financing, and provide leadership and management for the business. And guys, I would like to tell you, entrepreneurs commonly face many obstacles when building their companies. That I would like to tell you the three that many of them cite as the most challenging are as follows. One is overcoming pure accuracy, and two, hiring talent, and three, obtaining financing. And guys, we move to the types of entrepreneurship. So, what is the types of entrepreneurship? And let me tell you. First is small business entrepreneurship, and two, large company entrepreneurship, three, scalable startup entrepreneurship, four, social entrepreneurship, five, innovative entrepreneurship, and six, hustler entrepreneurship, seven, imitator entrepreneurship, and last or eight is researcher entrepreneurship. And we move to the last topic for this video is the advantage and disadvantage of entrepreneurship. So, the advantage of entrepreneurship includes the ability to shape one's own business, and second is control of one's own working habits, and three, significant stocks in the venture. And the disadvantage of entrepreneurship include a lack of guarantee of success and the heightened responsibility of owning a business. So guys, that's it. The definition of entrepreneur, some types of entrepreneurship, and what is the definition of entrepreneurship and the disadvantage and advantage of entrepreneurship. So I give all this information to you, and I hope this video can being helpful for all of you guys, and see you in my next video guys. Bye bye, have a good day.